I've spent countless hours in my garage, wrestling with my bike, trying to get it just right for maintenance. I know how frustrating it can be to find a reliable lift that won't break the bank or your bike. I bought and tested these motorcycle lifts so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the top 5 best motorcycle lifts I've found on the market. Product number 1: VEVOR Motorcycle Stand Lift. The VEVOR Motorcycle Stand Lift caught my attention right away. With an impressive load capacity of 850 pounds, I knew it was built to handle just about any bike, whether it's a Honda or a Suzuki. The first time I unboxed it, I was greeted by solid steel construction. I could feel the weight of the stand in my hands, a reassuring sign of its sturdiness. After a quick assembly, which took no more than 10 minutes thanks to the clear instructions, I was ready to test it out. Lifting my bike was a breeze. The adjustable fork heads fit perfectly, offering the flexibility to cater to various motorcycle models. I lifted my bike effortlessly in just a few seconds, making maintenance tasks such as oil changes and tire checks way easier. The stand provides a stable base, allowing me to work on the bike without worrying about it tipping over. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. First off, the pros. Its load capacity is fantastic, making it versatile for a range of motorcycle brands. The sturdy steel construction means it won't buckle under pressure, and let's not forget the ease of assembly. The adjustable fork heads are a major plus for accommodating different motorcycles. On the flip side, the lack of wheels means it's not as mobile as some might want, which could be a hassle when positioning it around the garage. So why should you buy the VEVOR Motorcycle Stand Lift? If you're looking for a reliable heavy-duty stand that offers stability and ease of use, this is the one for you. It's perfect for home mechanics like me who want to do maintenance without the hassle of expensive garage lifts. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about bike upkeep. Product number 2: VEVOR Motorcycle Scissor Lift Jack. Next up is the VEVOR Motorcycle Scissor Lift Jack. Priced at a remarkably affordable $43.76, this jack boasts a weight capacity of 1,100 pounds. I was pleasantly surprised when I first used it. The first time I lifted my cruiser bike, it was as if I was effortlessly raising a feather. I really appreciated how the height adjusted easily between 3.7 inches to 13.8 inches, which is ideal for various maintenance tasks. The wide deck provided ample stability, which is crucial when you're working on a heavy bike. The safety features are commendable too. The 6-position safety pin gives peace of mind that your bike won't come crashing down while you're working. However, I found that the lack of casters made it slightly cumbersome to move around. If you're like me and need to shift the lift around your garage, it could be a minor inconvenience. So why should you consider this scissor lift jack? If you're on a budget but still need a reliable tool for lifting your motorcycle, this is a fantastic option. It's easy to use, safe, and sturdy enough for any bike maintenance task you throw at it. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Product number 3: VEVOR Motorcycle Lift with Dolly. The VEVOR Motorcycle Lift with Dolly is another gem I discovered. This jack takes convenience to a new level. With a load capacity of 1,100 pounds, it's perfect for bigger bikes. The first time I used it, I was impressed by how easy it was to maneuver. The 4 casters allowed me to position my motorcycle without straining my back. I lifted my bike from 4.7 to 15.4 inches, which was more than enough for the maintenance I needed to perform. The platform was wide enough to make me feel secure while working, and it even has a rubber pad to protect my bike's finish. I have to mention the ease of storage too. I love how it folds down to a mere 4.7 inches, making it a breeze to tuck away when I'm done. However, I did notice it lacks some weight to it, which could be a concern for those who want a more solid feel when lifting. But for someone like me, who values mobility and ease of use, it was a trade-off I was willing to make. In terms of why you should buy this lift, if you're someone who values easy mobility and storage without compromising on lifting capacity, this is the right choice. It's a fantastic addition to any garage, especially for those who frequently work on their bikes. Product number 4: VEVOR Dirt Bike Lift Stand. Now let's talk about the VEVOR Dirt Bike Lift Stand. This one is specifically designed for dirt bikes and has a load capacity of 440 pounds. I was eager to see how it performed. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight and compact it was, yet it didn't sacrifice strength. The adjustable height feature was impressive. I was able to lift my dirt bike in just 3 seconds. I felt confident working on my bike, knowing that the anti-skid rubber surface would prevent any slipping. The hydraulic operation is smooth, and I love how it descends gently, which minimizes the risk of sudden drops. However, I did wish it had a bit more weight to it for added stability during use. Sometimes, a heavier base can make all the difference when you're lifting something as powerful as a dirt bike. So why buy the VEVOR dirt bike lift stand? If you own a dirt bike and need a reliable, easy-to-use lift, this is a fantastic option. It's designed for convenience, stability, and safety, making it perfect for maintenance tasks at home or in the garage. Product number 5, Orion Motor Tech Motorcycle Lift. Last but not least is the Orion Motor Tech Motorcycle Lift. This scissor lift jack offers a weight capacity of 1,100 pounds, which is impressive. I was blown away by how easy it was to lift my bike using the T-handle or a socket wrench. The height adjustment spans from 3.7 to 14.6 inches, allowing me to comfortably work on my bike without any hassle. The wide deck provided a stable platform, which was great for peace of mind while working on my bike. What I really appreciated was the heavy-duty steel construction that feels durable and robust. The rubber tabletop ensures that my bike remains securely in place, eliminating any wobble. However, like some of the other products, it lacks wheels, which could hinder mobility a bit. If you're looking for a high-quality, dependable motorcycle lift that's built to last, the Orion Motor Tech Motorcycle Lift is an excellent choice. It's designed for heavy use and offers great stability, making it ideal for anyone serious about bike maintenance. In conclusion, finding the right motorcycle lift can greatly enhance your maintenance experience. Each of the products I reviewed today offers unique features tailored for different needs and preferences. Investing in a good lift not only makes your life easier, but also enhances the longevity of your motorcycle. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious mechanic, I hope this guide helps you find the best motorcycle lift for your needs.